Welcome to our Intermediate Trading Concepts series. In this session, we're delving into market sentiment analysis. This approach involves gauging the mood or attitude of market participants towards a particular market or asset, providing valuable insights for trading strategies. Market sentiment reflects the overall attitude of investors and is driven by various factors, including economic news, political events, and market trends. Understanding sentiment can help predict market movements and guide investment decisions. Several indicators are used to measure market sentiment. The VIX, or volatility index, gauges market risk and investor stress. The put-call ratio compares the trading volume of put options to call options. Bullish-bearish surveys assess investor attitudes towards the market. For example, a rising VIX often indicates increased market volatility and a bearish sentiment, while a low VIX suggests investor complacency and bullish sentiment. Apart from technical indicators, news and social media also play a significant role in sentiment analysis. Positive or negative news can sway investor sentiment. Social media sentiment analysis tools use algorithms to assess the mood of market discussions on platforms like Twitter and financial forums. For instance, an unexpected political event causing uncertainty may lead to negative sentiment and a market sell-off. Behavioral economics also contributes to sentiment analysis. It studies how emotional and psychological factors affect investors' decisions. Understanding these can provide insights into market overreactions or underreactions to events. For example, an overreaction to a positive earnings report might create a short-term buying opportunity, but also signal a potential future correction. In conclusion, market sentiment analysis is a vital tool for traders and investors. It helps in understanding the underlying mood of the market, guiding more informed and strategic trading decisions. Exciting topics await in our Intermediate Trading Concepts series. Join us as we deepen your insights into the financial markets. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.